identify yourself?
Good morning, Your Honor. John McDonald for Mr. Pelliccio.
Let's see, you've been charged with reckless driving, causing serious bodily injury / death. Count 1, count 2, same thing. Count 3, same thing. Count 4, driving under the influence of intoxicating liquor and/or drugs to the extent it renders you incapable of driving in a safe manner. Allegation, please.
Your Honor, on October 25th at approximately 2:50 in the morning, there was a report of a single-car motor vehicle accident on a post road just prior to Frenchtown Road in the city of Warwick. The vehicle sustained heavy front-end damage. The Warwick Traffic Reconstruction Unit began an investigation, and during that course of investigation, it was determined the operator of that vehicle to be the defendant, Mr. Jacob Pelliccio. The defendant was operating his vehicle. He was traveling southbound on Post Road traveling at speeds of approximately 78 miles per hour. The vehicle collided with a guardrail, subsequently head-on into a bridge structure which leads into the town of North Kingstown. In fact, both the officers at the scene detected a strong odor of alcohol beverage emanating from Mr. Pelliccio's breath. The defendant stated he had consumed alcohol beverages prior to the accident. Located within the vehicle was evidence of the presence of alcohol, as well as evidence of marijuana use. Both male passengers were transported around hospital for injuries sustained. The female passenger was transported to Kent County Memorial Hospital. She was pronounced dead as a result of this accident. It is reasonably believed at that time that this defendant had operated a motor vehicle while under the influence of intoxicating liquor and/or drugs, death resulting. The defendant was transported to Rhode Island Hospital, where officers again noted in their report the indicia of alcohol to consist of watery eyes, bloodshot watery eyes, slurred speech, and an odor of alcohol emanating from his breath. The officers requested that this defendant submit to a chemical test, to which he refused, at which point a search warrant affidavit was drawn for his blood. It was signed, and that was submitted to the Department of Health pending toxicology reports. Both male passengers, preliminary reports revealed that one of the passengers sustained a brain injury and the other sustained a bruised lung and a significant laceration to the head, and this defendant was charged accordingly.
Any criminal history?
He does not, Judge.
Nothing. And your screening date?
Your Honor, we're going to go with January 25th, 21.
I see he was released by the bail commissioner on $10,000 with surety.
Correct.
You want to keep that?
That's fine.
Sir, I'm going to have you monitored by our pretrial service unit. They're our bail supervision unit. They will be monitoring you while you're on the district court bail. Whatever they ask of you, please make sure you comply with. If you do not, you will be a bail violator. That means in all likelihood you may end up at the ACI. Any other conditions for him that Warwick is looking for?
No, Judge.
All right, and sir, it's your promise to keep the peace, be of good behavior when you're released on bail. If you get into any trouble while you're released on bail, you're